Hi guys, my name is Rhiannon and I'm an MUSC dietetic intern here to talk to you about some healthy shopping tips that don't break the bank. Okay, here's some tips on when you're in the produce section. Fresh produce is cheaper when you buy items that are in season. For example, if you were shopping during the summertime, keep out an eye for fresh berries, cucumbers, different salad greens, as well as watermelon and cantaloupe. Whereas during the fall, you will find discounts on apples and pears because they're in season. If you're hunting for something that is out of season as far as fruits and veggies go, always check out the frozen or canned food sections for a great option. Most of these are picked at the peak of freshness, so just because they're frozen doesn't mean they lack flavor. When you're purchasing canned fruit, just make sure you're looking out for ones that are packed in 100% juice or in light syrup to avoid the heavy syrups. When you're choosing canned vegetables, also opt for the low salt or no salt added items. And in most grocery stores in the meat section, there are items called closeout or clear out, which they're trying to sell quickly because they're almost to their sell-by date, so sometimes you can find discount on those meats as well. Okay, so if you were hunting around your dollar store, here are some great finds. Oatmeal at Dollar General for a 2-pound container is less than $2, and $1 at Dollar Tree. Here are some other listed items for whole wheat bread, frozen veggies, and also money saved on eggs at Dollar General as well. So you can find some great deals there. So what about on-the-go shopping? If you are at a convenience store, you can find great steals on fresh bananas, fresh oranges, or apples, which are single serving, which are just grab and go at a great price. Many 7-Eleven convenience stores also carry salads and fruit cups. Pilot convenience stores carry fresh fruit and boiled eggs, and many local grocery stores often offer convenient single-serving fruit and veggie options for on-the-go in the cooler section. And if you're going through a drive-through, you can also ask about salads that they offer, grilled chicken rather than fried chicken for sandwiches, and you can also ask if there are any substitutions for the fries, such as fruit cups. Here I've included a list of some grocery items that I found at our local Walmart. For a family of 4, was able to find groceries for two full breakfasts, 4 full lunches, and then a dinner item which can be used the next day in leftovers. So all of this for a grand total of less than $19. So this list includes some fruit, vegetables, milk, bread, and also some low-fat cheese and pasta items for spaghetti. So here are the items that I made with that grocery list, such as breakfast with cereal and milk and half a banana, a snack of sliced apples and 2 small slices of cheese, peanut butter and jelly sandwich with cucumber and pretzels, and a dinner of whole wheat spaghetti with ground turkey and marinara sauce and a side of steamed vegetables. The thing to remember when you're grocery shopping is it can be overwhelming, but with a little bit of creativity and a fine eye for pricing, you can definitely make some healthy meals on a budget. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a great day.